Alright, so in today's video, we're going to take a look at how we can combine a bunch of videos so that they fade into each other. So instead of just snapping from one clip to another, we want them to fade from the first clip to the second clip to the third clip to the fourth clip. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to click these hourglass buttons and we're going to tap on black fade. And we can set the duration to just default, which is 1. And we're going to hit apply. And we're going to go to all the clips and we're going to do the same thing. And that one's a white fade, but we- we're gonna do black. But if you want this to be a white fade, you can do that as well. So that's it. And now basically, if you play it back, you will see we get the first clip, then it fades to the second clip. It's gonna play the second clip for a while, and then it's gonna fade into the third clip, and now it's gonna play the this clip for a bit, and now it's gonna fade into the last one. So there you go. We've basically gone from a bunch of static cuts to the clips fading into each other. And you can do the same thing with the end and the start. So if you tap the hourglass at the end, you can make the whole scene fade out over here. So now instead of just, yeah, see, so it's gonna fade to black. And the same thing in the start if you want to add a opening fade. All right, that's it. This is the Syn-FX app. Please try it out and let us know what you think. And thank you for watching.